So good day everyone. So now I'm gonna show you how to use or to explore the features of this learning site, which is the IXL. So first is I access IXL by going to its website. I can log in using my account or create a new one. And the platform is easy to access using a browser or a mobile device. For here, mga key features sa IXL. So, IXL offers personalized learning, real-time feedback, and progress tracking through its smart core system. And also, it shows here the math topics covered. So, it covers topics from basic math like addition to advanced topics such as algebra, geometry, and statistics. And for the target learners, so IXL is designed for students from elementary to senior high school, as well as teachers and independent learners. And for the strengths, its strengths include structured lessons, so nanadiri mga weekly task or topic na naka-assign. So very organized yun siya and structured. And also instant feedback and ability to track progress. So ma-track po ang progress diri sa mga students. So ang akong gipili nga rin nga topic para sa akong himuon nga quiz is measurement. And then here kay mo pwede ka mo select og unsa nga learning competency ang imong pilian. And here na ako gipang pili daan. So na siya. And mag-generate na siya largo og mga questions related sa learning competency. And then it's up to you kung i-show ba nimo ang solutions or ang correct na answer. Dili kay i-show ang correct na answer o ang solution ni kahuman view sa score sa mga students. So, next is I will try to perform a math task here. So, now I will solve a math problem. Ang akong gipili nga topic kay algebra. And mao na siya ang learning competency nga akong gipili. And now, IXL gives questions and provides immediate feedback. If my answer is wrong, it shows the correct solution and explanation. So, very kuan siya kayo kanang flexible o kanang makahatag siya immediate na feedback adto sa students. And for the limitations, it can be repetitive and focuses more on practice rather than detailed teaching. For the classroom applications, teachers can use IXL for assignments, practice activities like atong gihimo na ko, kiswayan na ko ganiha nga nag-answer ko. And then, if marong ka na siya, immediate na yun nga feedback or i-show ang correct na answer. And for the assessment, katong kong gihimo ganiha, try ko gihimo og mga quiz. So, mura siya same sa Google Form. And remediation in the classroom. And so overall, IXL is an effective platform for improving math skills through consistent practice and feedback. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I will explore the Dismas Calculator, a free online graphing calculator and math tool that's super handy for visualizing equations, data, and geometry. Now, let's get started. First, open your Dismas Graphing Calculator app or you can go to dismas.com calculator in your browser. You don't need an account to start graphing, but creating one lets you save your work. The Dismas Calculator has several useful features. It includes a graphing area with grid lines, access numbers, and adjustable settings like zoom and scale. There is also a settings menu where you can turn on or off the grid, access labels, and minor grid lines, and even choose between radians and degrees. Another feature is the last button menu where users can add expressions, tables, notes, folders, and images as well. This allows students to organize their work. The app also has example graphs such as lines, parabolas, trigonometry graphs, and conic sections, which help users understand different math concepts. The app covers many math topics. From the example shown, it includes linear equations, quadratic functions, trigonometry, and conic sections like circles and parabola. This calculator is suitable for junior high school, senior high school, and even college students. Beginners can use the basic graphing tools, while more advanced learners can explore complex equations, and teachers can also use it as a teaching aid. One of the main strengths of the app is that it is easy to use. The interface is simple and graphs appear instantly after typing an equation. It is also interactive, allowing students to explore and experiment. Another strength is that it provides visual learning, which helps students understand math better. However, there are some limitations. The app may require internet access for full use. Also, students might become too dependent on it instead of practicing manual solving. Some advanced features may also be limited compared to professional math software. Teachers can use the Desmos calculator to demonstrate graphs during discussions. For example, they can show how changing values affects a graph in real time. Students can also use it for activities, group work, and assignments. And now, I'll show you how to perform a graph using a function. To graph a function using the Desmos calculator, you must follow the steps. First, tap the plus button and select expression. Type a function, for example, y equals x squared. Press enter and the graph will appear automatically on the grid. You can adjust the view using the settings like grid and axis. And try changing the function, such as y equals 2x plus 1 to see how the graph changes.